Hello everyone. In this video, we will be making a matchbox telephone toy. You will need 2 matchboxes, 2 toothpicks, and a long string according to your length. First of all, you need to attach the string inside one of the matchbox by making a hole and tie it with a toothpick or a matchstick. Now, follow the same step and proceed it with the other matchbox too. And there you have it, a matchbox telephone toy. The Matchbox Telephone toy offers a multitude of educational benefits for preschoolers. Through pretend conversations, it promotes language development by encouraging verbal communication and vocabulary expansion. Additionally, the interactive nature of the toy fosters social skills such as cooperation, turn-taking, and empathy, as children engage in dialogue and role-play scenarios with others. The toy stimulates creativity and imagination, allowing children to invent stories and explore different roles in a playful setting. As children manipulate the small toy, they also enhance their fine motor skills, improving hand-eye coordination and finger strength. This toy can also facilitate cultural awareness by encouraging exploration of different languages and communication devices, contributing to their overall cognitive development.